Hello guys, welcome back to Astropodden. Today's a special day. It's Boxing Day. Not the real Boxing Day, it's actually Boxing Day because we're gonna box this mount up. Had some issues with the declination axis being sticky. Right ascension axis showed signs of being sticky in the tracking, but anyway, I'm still very much in warranty. So what you do, if you do have an issue with your kit when it's still in warranty, you document your issues, you send them off to the technical support of whatever manufacturer you have, and you let them decide what you should do. In this case, as Celestron said, very good technical support, very responsive. They came back and said, yeah, it's in need of repair, so send it back. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm in Europe, I'm going to send it back to the supplier and they will try to service it. So that's what I'm going to do now. So to do this, what you need is to prepare it, put it up in the original box if you have it still, and yeah, just send it back. So got original box here. So we're going to take away the for this repair, they only need the head or the mount itself. They don't actually need the tripod, so you don't have to send the entire product, which is nice. So the issues that I had was the sticky axis, and I had a reply in the comment sections here from another guy that had, well, pretty much the same issues. And so I understood what he did was basically he retorqued the retainer screw for the worm gear shaft, and because it was too tight, and hopefully that is just the same case here. Of course, if you take all these things off, if you did it yourself, you could change the bearings and everything and do a little hyper-tune thing of it, and making sure that all the grease was the best possible, and etc. But I'm not going to do anything faster like that. I'm going to let them do the work on it. Also, when you put it back in, you need to make sure that you turn the head around so that's that way as it comes out the box. So the declination motor is on top of the mount there. Right.
Screws. Going up to the plastic bag. And the box. And we have the mounting screws. Zero. In the box.
So this is also a tip for when you unbox it. I learned afterwards is that you tip it up like this and then you pull the mount out. So I'm going to do the same way, putting it back in again now. Actually, it doesn't really come in properly if it's set to a high latitude like mine, so you need to pull it down a bit. See, maybe some 40 degrees maybe it came in. Like a glove. So, hopefully I'll see it again, and in better working condition. So, what else you need to do is to stick the manuals in, and also a return paper if the supplier or anyone else requires it for specifying the repair, giving details on what's wrong, etc. Got that in the house, so I'm just gonna have to get all the stuff and stick them on top here. Right back on that. Right, back again. So, manual complete as it was received. Well, important note about keeping the case. Actually quite important then, yeah. And then we have the return form from my supplier in this case. So just fill that in to make sure that they specify what errors you have been having and why, and etc. Put that in the box, and then we have the shipping label that will be sticked on top of the case. So that should be it. Right, so that's the box packed up. Sticking the label on at the post office so they can have it where they want it. Yeah, just tape it all up, rip off the old shipping labels that you have on there so that there won't be any confusion. Yeah, should be alright, hopefully. Hope it doesn't take too long to get it back. A response from that. So, get back to you. Ta-da!